Hello, welcome to Toss and Catch Day 2. Day 1 I used a sock. Day 2 I'm going to use a ball. Again, your task is to complete 5 catches and then go to the next challenge. If you make a mistake, that's okay, just start over. Challenge 1, toss and catch the ball. Challenge 2, toss, clap in front, catch the ball. Again, you'll be doing this 5 times. Number 3, toss, clap behind your back, catch the ball. Number 4, toss, clap in front and back, catch the ball. Ooh. Number 5, bounce, clap, catch. Number 6, toss, touch head, catch ball. Number 7, toss, touch ear, catch ball. Number 8, toss, touch nose, catch ball. Number 9, toss, touch shoulder, catch ball. Number 10, toss, touch heart, catch ball. Number 11, toss, touch knee, catch ball. Number 12, toss, touch shoe, catch ball, or your foot. Number 13, toss, touch the ground, catch the ball. Again, keep your eyes on the ball, have your hands ready to catch. Number 14, toss, jump in the air, catch ball. There's 20 of these. We are on number 15, toss, turn a circle. If it's challenging, just keep practicing. Number 8, bounce the ball off your quadriceps, catch ball. Number 17, bounce the ball off a tennis shoe or your foot, catch the ball. Number 18, toss, give yourself a hug, catch ball. Number 19, toss, close your eyes, catch ball. And number 20, toss, jump rope twice, and then catch ball. Again, catch it 5 times, go on to the next one, try your best, have fun.